friends. Pamela Shepherd with Pamela Shepherd Productions here. So, and I thought I would tell you a little bit about myself. I don't, most of you don't really know me. My friends and relatives and the people I grew up with know me. But I grew up Pamela Yow, Y-O-W was my maiden name. And my husband John and I have been married 49 years. We'll be married 50 years in March. And we got married when I was 15 years old. And he was 19. So yes, indeedy, we ran away and got married. And I know young marriages don't work. And I don't know if we just insisted like, okay, well, if young marriages don't work, we're going to make it work for sure. So I don't know. But I just thought that you might like to know that and think that's fun. It's quite a fun story about us running away, and one of these times I'll tell you some of the details of it. It's pretty funny, and I do have a blog that has the story down, and it's pretty fun. And I'm going to show you a few things that I'm going to do for Christmas. What I thought would be way cool this year is what I thought we could do, I'm going to do a couple of these and show you how I do them. And I know some people just take Christmas paper and they wrap them around toilet paper holders and then they do them on each end, but I can't stand it when you tear it all apart and then it looks like a toilet paper holder. I just don't like that. Some people won't use toilet paper holders because, you touch a bottom and blah, blah, blah. But anyhow, you can actually buy these brand new on Amazon, but I do use these. I think. So what I thought it would be cool for is to put little gifts in them. And then I'll show you how we're going to do it, where we're going to hang it on a tree as well. So anyhow, after saying all of that, I'm going to put the camera down and we're going to work on some of these. And I'm going to make them, some of them like they might as well hang on the tree and be pretty with the gift in it, and then you can hang a tag on it for the person that's supposed to get it. So that would be fun too. So I'm going to put the camera down and here we go. there's that one. So we have the whimsical one, the farm home one, the shabby chic look, like I was saying. Like, let's see, this one. I had to show you this paper that I got for 20, where does it say? It was on sale clearance for 25 cents. So I had to get this, and I think I got it at JoAnn's. But I'm going to wrap this around the toilet paper, and I'm going to work on doing me Minnie Mouse. Ha ha! Yay! I love Minnie Mouse. Okay, so I'll do it fast. Watch this. But anyhow, I just wanted to say thank you so much for coming to my channel and enjoying it. And I have really enjoyed all of you so much. I love your comments. And if you can think of something you want me to do, I'm going to start doing, I'm going to do quite a few table settings, all different colors and different styles. I'm going to do some for New Year's, and I'm going to do some, all kinds of them. I think you're going to like them a lot. That's one of the things I love, because at the dinner theater, whatever show we did, I decorated the whole thing based on whatever the show was. So that was fun for me. I love that. So if you can think of anything else you'd like me to do, let me know. I think I'm going to put some press-on nails. Look at these awful nails. I don't know what's going on. I even put warm olive oil. I put regular fingernail oil. I've just been doing everything I can. Take vitamin E, vitamin D, vitamins, and trying to do everything with these poor little things, and then they just come off. So I might try doing those just a little bit. Yeah, we'll see. I'll let you watch me. I'll do it in fast motion so you don't have to watch so long. Okay, goodbye all you good people. And the reason I always say that, we'll see all you good people later, is because that's what my daddy said every time he left our house. He'd say, we'll see all you good people later. And also he prayed for our Thanksgiving dinner, and he said, "Dear Lord, please help everybody to get sick and not get well." And we all just busted out laughing. I think he meant help everybody to stay well and not get sick. But he prayed, "Oh, dear Lord, please let everybody get sick and not get well." And he was a hoot. I have so many funny grandpa stories. But anyhow, he always said, "We'll see all you good people later." So God bless you. May God just really wrap his arms around you and let you feel loved and blessed. And I'll see all you good people later. Bye-bye.